The Smart Caregiver floor mat alarm system uses a pressure-sensitive mat and wireless pager to quietly alert caregivers when someone steps onto the mat, helping to prevent unnoticed exits or falls. Its generous floor mat size provides a broad stepping area that works well beside a bed or across a doorway, so you can cover common paths without awkward placement. The wireless pager can receive signals from a substantial distance, allowing caregivers to move around the home or facility while still being notified promptly. With options for audible or vibration alerts, the pager can be set to avoid startling sensitive patients while still giving the caregiver a clear signal. The system is straightforward to set up and can be paired with additional smart caregiver sensors, making it easy to build a more complete safety network over time. Overall, this floor mat alarm system offers a practical, reliable way to monitor at-risk seniors or patients discreetly, giving caregivers more flexibility and confidence.